Yes, now you can start. Recording begins.
Good afternoon. I am myself Durga Prasad. My practical is efficient market hypothesis. Purpose of calculation is efficient market hypothesis. Hypothesis states that share price reflect all the information, and efficient market hypothesis that helps trade at their fair market values at exchange. And second sheet, I downloaded the data for 31 days from February 1st to 16th March 2021. I taken four companies: SBI, Bajaj Auto, Hindustan Unilever, and Hindustan Petroleum. And now this is my calculation. First I calculated the SBI, Bajaj Auto, Unilever, Hindustan. I taken the data for all expected return, standard deviation, and weights, which is last day of the last 15th March 2021. I take this expected return and standard deviation. By using this data, I calculated return. Using the formula average and standard deviation formula. I calculated average expected return and standard deviation. By using this data, I calculated the average price, which is here mentioned minus 0.19 minus that is the average price. And later, third step, this is as mentioned in the pamphlet. And this data is also calculated using the formula, which is taken data by D56, which is in the sheet 2. The data we taken the data, and I calculated this transport rate matrix. And step 5, I calculated covariance by using covariance formula. Is equal to covariance C20 is to C49. By using that formula, I calculated for all the four companies. I calculated for covariation matrix. And sixth step, I as usual copied the formula from the template. These are all calculated by the mention the topic mentioned in the pamphlet. This is the efficient portfolio which I got and calculated. This is a company share portfolio and share portfolio using dollars and last price and number of shares and position of the company. And this is the result with which I got. Portfolio return is 3, and portfolio risk is 0.01%. And efficient portfolio SBI got 10%, 10.10% share, and in a percentage, and its share within dollars is 15,135. Number of shares is 40, which is long, and it is considered a strong form. And auto is a weak, which is I got the negative answer. So I consider it as weak form, and remaining Hindustan and Unilever and Hindustan Petroleum it is also a long, because I consider it is strong form. And sheet 5th, I taken one snapshot, which is Bitcoin's wild weakness term, efficient market theory, which is related to my topic. So I taken this as my snapshot. And Bitcoin.
Yes, what is mentioned in that one? Okay, good.
Bitcoin weekends turn efficient market theory inside out. This was published in January 10th, 2021. This news was published, and Bitcoin just notched one of the best weeks on record, surging about 40% over 7 days through Friday. One day expected this volatile digital currency to take breather this weekend. According to news, the Bitcoin is taking 40% of 7 days, best weeks in record. It is taken best record in that 5 days, and it started on Sunday. The most other assets barely beds. The Bitcoin trends to go particularly nuts. Take the first weekend of 2021. The Bitcoin is taken better, fourth efficient market in first weekend of January 2021. The world largest digital coin rose 14% on January 2nd and 10% on January 3rd, which the percentage taken by the Bitcoins. It is the most efficient in January. Bitcoin's not alone trading all day, every day, which sets coin apart, but how big swings are outside from established business hour, it's tough to find pricing the dollar. For example, the currency market participants usually agree meant to take weekends of Bitcoin's average swing on Saturday, Sunday during the fourth quarter on the other, which was for 1.5%. Bitcoins is also taken on Saturdays and Sundays with fourth quarter with 1.5%. Thank you. Sir.
Okay, you can go to sheet 4.
Sheet 4, sir.
Yes. How will you say first one is the strong form?
Sir, because it is
State Bank, huh?
sir,
Yes.
position,
You are correct. Position is
long position, so I consider strong form.
Yes, that's all. Okay. So what is the final conclusion we can take it from this thing? Because you have mentioned State Bank is strong, whereas Bajaj Auto is weak. Hindustan Unilever and Hindustan Petroleum are very strong.
Yes.
Do you think that in those days, stock market is following the market efficient hypothesis? Because 3A prices are going in strong.
Yes, sir. Strong forum is yes, sir. Strong.
Yes, you come on, you are correct. Why you are worrying?
Yes, sir. Market is following in SBI and Hindustan Unilever and Petroleum. Because weak forum is not for the future period. Weak forum is considered only for historical period, but strong period we will use it for technical analysis to predict the future.
So that is we can go for the prediction of the future, and it is purely independent of the any other events. Good. Likewise, portfolio returns also. You have mentioned, I think 3 point something, even though it is less.
Yes, sir.
But it is the strong form. That is what the answer. Portfolio risk is also very less, and return is also less. Since the risk is less, return is also less. Okay,
Yes,
Durga Prasad. You can go to sheet 2. How the calculations? Yes. Where you are downloaded in BSc?
And BSc website, sir.
Okay, okay.
I taken daily data, sir, in that.
That's what. Then the returns, that one.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, closing minus opening.
Yes.
Divided by opening.
Opening.
Okay, pa. Okay, Durga Prasad.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, Bijit, you can start now.
Okay, so my topic is return on investment, which is also called as dew point analysis. So first of all, coming to dew point analysis, let us understand and what is dew point analysis. So dew point analysis is nothing but coming to directly calculation of what is return on equity. So what dew point does is it helps us to understand individually that which are the parts are contributing to the return on equity. For example, profit margin ratio and return on assets. All those things individually contribute to the return on equity. So what dew point analysis helps us is to understand individually that which are the components which are directly contributing to the return on equity. So that is the purpose for the calculation. So
Okay.
coming to
Good.
the sheet 2, I have taken the Wipro company, sir. So in that Wipro company, this is the template what we needed for the dew point analysis. So we have to only fill this part of this data. So by that we can get all the outcome. So coming to the gross revenue, we have taken the gross revenue from here. So it is revenue from operations gross. It is the gross revenue, like 50 crore, 299, 50.299 crores. So it is the gross revenue which I have taken here, and the variable expenses. So variable expenses is considered here 26,467 crores, and the fixed expenses is nothing but depreciation. So coming to the depreciation part, depreciation is here. Depreciation and amortization expenses is 1,349 crores. And here is the other expenses. Other expenses is 2,382 crores. So here we can see it. Other expenses. Other expenses is 11,155 crores. And the total asset is 65,736 crores. So here the total asset is, here we can see the total asset is 65,736 crores. And here the total liabilities is 18,132 crores. Because so total liabilities is nothing but total current liabilities. We have to deduct the share capital. Among that, we have to deduct the share capital. By that, we can get that Wipro in 2020-21 has given a high rate of as well return on asset as well as return on equity. Because when we saw at this pandemic starting, Wipro is at 300 or something, around 300 it was trading, but now it was around 500. It is nearly 500. So that why as it is rising, so it is giving a return on equity in high level. So we can see here. So these are the individual which is helping us to indicate that how the return on equities is achieving. So like asset turnover ratio is also good. We can see there. Return on asset is also 37.82%. That means return on asset every year it is giving 37.82% return. So let us understand very practical that what actually dew point analysis does. So so there are two parts contributing to the return on equity. So like return on asset and assets bar equity. So as you can see, all those things are individually which are contributing to directly to the return on asset. Like a profit margin ratio multiplied by asset turnover ratio, we can get return on asset. As by this divided by this, we can get a return on equity. So individually it is shown that how if you want to get the profit margin ratio, you have to divide the revenue and the net income. Revenue divided by net income, you will get the profit margin. And here, if you want the asset turnover ratio, you have to divide sales divided by total assets. You will get the asset turnover ratio. So this is the chart which help us to understand the actual dew point analysis, what it is. Thank you, sir.
Then the news clippings equivalent to that one.
Sir, I searched that, but related to that news, I found this image, sir. I think this image is going to explain better, so that's why I found. Nothing related to that I used.
But
Return on
you
investment, separate dew point analysis return is not given, sir, but separate return on investments are given. But for
yes,
that, I know.
at least you have to dew point. Any one of the company might have identified. Okay, go to the sheet number 3.
Yes, sir. Here.
What is your final comment about this return on equity? You have mentioned something 51.3.
Yes, sir. According to me, sir, Wipro company is growing very rapidly, sir. So which I suggest that Wipro company is very good for investment in long term, sir. From as this pandemic also, it is good, sir. So that's why I think that it's good for long-term
I
investment.
will say it is good because it is 51%. That is why you are saying good.
Not like that, sir. Initially, we can see that Wipro is a top company which is managed by a good managing directors, and the management are very good, sir. And the fundamentals says that the Wipro company is really strong. So as the fundamentals, by inspecting the fundamentals, we can say that it is a good company and a long-term investment. Good for
That
long-term
is,
investment.
you have to compare with the bank interest rate. Okay. Since the bank interest rate is very less and this return is very high, it means that if you are investing. But what are all the constraints in investing the Wipro? Are you able to tell me whether you are able to get the Wipro company shares immediately?
Sorry, sir. Sir, I will definitely find out then let you know, sir.
But that means the problem is our demand is there, but there is no supply. In case of Wipro, if you want to buy, you can't buy it immediately, and you have it takes time because at present there is demand, but there is no supply. Maybe it may leads to increase the market price. Good. Okay, Abhijit, you can
Thank you, sir.
stop sharing. Yes, Sneha, start.
Okay, sir. So my question is to Durga Prasad, and my question is, what is the meaning of weak form in efficient market hypothesis?
Weak form means in we what the information we got by that technically analysis is not work, and
Yes, no problem. You are 90% correct only.
yes, sir, that's the one. Weak form means technical analysis here not work, and semi strong form means fundamental analysis not work, and strong means investor can win in both the technical and analytical fundamental analysis.
Okay, you are trying, but say semi-farm, weak farm. Weak farm is the technical analysis may be strong, but the fundamental analysis is not good.
Yes, sir.
Anyhow, both are based upon that one. Simply speaking, the standard deviation is high.
Yes.
Okay, good. Sneha.
Sir, I have a question.
Okay, Subhashri, you can proceed.
Sir, I have a question to Durga Prasad. Like why, sir,
Okay.
I couldn't connect why he brought Bitcoin news to this exercise. Like,
What is your question?
so what is the relevance of that news for this particular practical exercise?
Okay.
I could not connect.
Hmm.
I searched in Economics Times, which my topic. I got the Bitcoin news, which is relevant. I think this is relevant to my topic, so I choose on that Bitcoin.
Okay. I think even though the Bitcoin is not permitted so far now, whether in case of other countries, is there any market efficiency relating to Bitcoin? Some points are mentioned in that news. Of course, in future, if Bitcoin is permitted in India with some restrictions or in some other method, you can go for calculation of this type of market efficiency in Bitcoin also. That is the reason why Durga Prasad identified. Okay, Subhashri, are satisfied?
Yes, sir. Thanks.
Yes, others. Start, Nitya.
Yeah, so if the market, if it's a strong, efficient market,
Yes.
yes, sir, sorry, sir. Yeah, if it's a strong, efficient market, is it possible to earn profit, sir?
Yes, Durga Prasad.
Yes.
What is your answer, Durga Prasad?
Yes, he is having profit, sir, because he can predict the we can predict future, and he may make profits, sir.
Okay, your answer is correct. Okay, Renita. No questions. Okay, then I will.
No question, sir.
Ah. So I will share the marks. So today, other than the chat is the last one. Oh, Abhijit presented 4.5 and Durga Prasad, because there are no opposition, so 4.5, that is equivalent to 5. Then was the questions. In case of discussion also, both of them presented well, so I given this mark. Okay. Then Nitya asked the question. Then who? Sneha answered the question. Sneha, check whether it is your name. I given the mark. Then Subhashri asked questions. Others, it is 0. Okay. You can check. If you are having anything after that, you should not ask. So based upon this analytics only, the mark will come. So I am transparent because this thing I have to make it transparent, then only you will know future, otherwise you will shout against me. So now you can see your own marks. And some of them not presented. That is, I mentioned NP, and it also not presented. Say Balaji missing. Chetan not presented. Gyaneshwari not presented but permitted. Irfan permission. Valid reason. Okay. So this is your scoring. Okay. Now in case of
remaining of them can't present anymore.
yes, Amar.
So for the remaining 5, we can't present next time or anymore.
Next time, if whether there's a time, you can see we need discussion minimum 25 minutes. That you can ask your friends. If anybody is not presenting, you can add. You can nicely ask Jojin. Jojin is thinking about Abhigyan. So if he is not presenting, you can what, but Jojin will lose the mark. We are not sufficient time to do all those things. Okay, any doubts? You can see that one. Your order I have clearly mentioned as per the alphabetical order. So this sheet I will input in our analytics and it will give the final marks. So next presentation, I think Jacob, whether he will come, Jojin. Jojin, you have to inform Jacob.
Yes, sir.
This man, Monday morning, first hour, I think so. Jojin, ready because you are having Abhigyan work. And you have
Yes, sir.
Junaid
sir.
Basha, Junaid Basha, are you here? There you are here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Justice, be ready for Monday. Jyotika, what about Jyotika?
Yes, sir.
Okay, ba. Karthik, both Karthiks.
Yes, sir.
Okay, both good. So your presentation is on Monday, possibly first hour, if not last hour. If they are unable to change, then it will be on first hour. Okay. So ready for that one. Now you can chat box. You can also give your ratings to both students, both Abhijit as well as for Durga Prasad. So you can open your chat and Durga Prasad number, sir, Abhijit number ends with 3172. You can give the rating in scaling 1 to 5. 3172 underscore 5 means high rating for Abhijit. If you are giving 3172 underscore 1 means poor rating. Okay, 1 to 5 rating. So in the chat box, you have to give your rating for Abhijit as well as for Durga Prasad. Durga Prasad number is 3167. Okay, and Abhijit number is 3172. So now it is your turn. You can also give the marks. And finally, my analytics will give the marks for total for 10 marks. Okay. You can open the chat box, send it to me by mentioning 4 items, 3172 underscore 125 anything, then 3167 underscore the rating for Durga Prasad. Okay, that is your time. It will be open for another 5 to 6 minutes. By the time you can complete the chatting, then I will take the attendance. You have to give for both persons. Some of them are giving to only one person. Everybody is giving 5 out of 5. So first presenters, they are having good impression. That is the advantage of going in first.